Nope, take out your homework from last night. Here are the answers. So you're going to check your answers. If you need to come up closer. So you're checking your answers from last night's homework. So you don't have your answers written down?
Pretty good so far.
Okay, so you're checking them. Does anybody have any? We can answer some questions while you're checking. Yep. Okay, let's take a look. Let's look at one of the questions. So do you have a specific number you want to look at?
No, I think I did all the division problems wrong.
All the division problems wrong. So 5x to the third divided by 10x to the negative third. All right, where do you want to start? All right, let's start with the coefficient. So let's simplify 5/10. What does 5/10 simplify? Okay, so 1/2. And now what do we do with our powers? Subtract what part of it? Okay, so 3 minus negative 3 is 6. So we have 1/2 x to the 6th. So how would we write that as a fraction then? What's in my numerator?
1/6x.
Okay, and we don't usually do a coefficient of 1. And what's in my denominator? 2. Yes?
For number 15, is it okay if I put a 1 in front of the answer?
Yep.
Right.
I mean, we don't usually write a coefficient of 1, but that's still an acceptable response. Okay, other questions? What other ones did you get wrong, or where else did you have trouble that you wanted to look at? Yep.
Number 17.
Number 17. C squared d to the 11th divided by c to the 8th d to the 5th. Okay, where do you want to start?
Probably with the exponents.
Okay, what are we going to do with the exponents?
Subtract them.
Okay, so 2 minus 8 equals
Oh, no, negative 6.
-6. So we have c to the -6th, and 11 minus 5 is
Sorry.
6. So we have d to the 6th. So now how do we rewrite that using only positive exponents?
You would do 1 over c to the 6th.
Negative exponents go in the denominator, positive exponents are in the
So
numerator.
d to the 6th over c.
So d to the 6th over c to the 6th.
I got a 75.
Okay? So did you see what you did wrong with the questions that you got wrong?
Yeah.
What kind of mistakes were you making?
For example, number 10, what I did was I didn't, I put the coefficient with the, exponent, right, the coefficient with the variable.
Okay? Good. people, other questions? Yep.
Well, I know you went over number 15 already, but could you just go one more time?
Absolutely.
I'm still checking my answer.
You were still checking your answers and couldn't hear. Okay. So 15, we have 5x to the third divided by 10x to the negative third. Where do you want to start?
Well, I was thinking 5 minus 10 is negative 5.
Okay. Remember, we can rewrite this fraction as 5/10 times x to the third over x to the negative third. Right? We can separate it into two separate fractions. So how would you simplify 5/10? 1/2. So that piece still stays the same. And now how do we simplify this fraction?
We just put x to the third as the divider and x. Oh, you want to simplify it? So
Yep, what's our rule? When we divide powers, we're going to subtract the exponents. So x minus negative 3 is, 3 minus negative 3 is positive 6. So we have x to the 6th. Okay? Any other questions? Other ones that you got wrong? Do you see what you did wrong? Jill, do you have any? All set.